Hello there. I've decided to pluck out another of my random Scrawlr boxes. Let's have a look and see which one this is. This is March 2021. Can you read that? It went a bit stroby at one point, but that's looks good. Cool. Let's get into this and have a look. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, we have got an art print, which is a bee with a person's face. We've got some drawing paper, 125 GSM uncoated paper, 12 sheets, very smooth. And let's have a look what's in our little package of delight. We have got a sticker with the strange bee man on it. We have got our March menu. We have Swizzles Refreshers sour apple flavour. That looks fairly edible. It's a bit bendy, but you know, it's warm in here. And we have got Faber-Castell Pit Artist Pen Brush. Ooh, he's firm but springy. Yeah, no, that's cool. In a sort of scarlet, well, it says scarlet red, so that's scarlet red. And we have got the Pitt Artist Pen Brush in a May green, firm but springy. Interesting. Faber-Castell Artist Pen Brush in sky blue. Scrawlr always has the weirdest selection of colours. Blue, red, green. And we have water and fade proof pigment ink in a light grey in a brush pen. This is a thinner one. Slightly not quite as firm as the other two. The Derwent Graphic 2B. Fairly standard 2B pencil. Not bad. We have the Unipin water and fade proof pigment ink in black in a 1. That's fairly chunky. And last but not least, I'm sure, the Sino Gel Stick Uniball. I quite like these. Nice smooth gel writers. Sino, Signo, Uniball in 0.7. So slightly smaller than 0.1. So we got that. So the pens are $2.99 each. The Uni Brush grey pen is $2.49. The Signo or Sino is $1.49. The Unipin is $2.49. The Derwent Graphic $1.55 it reckons. The uncoated drawing paper is $2.99. And the Scrawlr challenge is leading lines. See, I like the prints that they do and everything, and you know, this one's quite a cool one. It's fairly sort of weird and wonderful sort of thing. The only thing I dislike is the fact that the prints you get are not made from the same materials as you're given in the boxes. So as you can see, there's like a sort of yellowy colour, the grey colour. I'm assuming this is well, the grey colour, we've got the grey colour, haven't we? So, but yeah, so the yellowy orangey colours, not so much. However, you probably find that if you look back at some of the other Scrawlr boxes, you've probably got those colours from previous ones. But yeah, pretty strange. I'm sure we can do something with that. Let's have a look at the little zine. That's not bad. A nice set of drawing pens. And I must admit, I've not used the Faber-Castell, the brush pens before. And they feel quite, yeah, I think they're going to be quite nice to use. Let's have a look at the zine. I've got all the goodies. Right, so this guy does these line drawings here. Sit down with the feature. Shane Vorhaben. Alright, so that's from the one of the previous Scrawlr things. Scrawlr extra, there is art in lines. Evolution of marker pens. Okay, well, I think we can probably work with this. And I will see you in just a moment.